Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will show you how to install fonts on PaintNet so you can easily add creative text styles to your projects. Step 1. Go to the link in the video description, which takes you to dayfont.com. This website has a wide variety of fonts in different categories, such as cartoon, script, or modern, so you can choose the one that fits your design. Step 2. Select a font you like and click on the download button. The font will be saved as a zip file and you need to open it to see the contents. Step 3. In the zip file, look for the .ttf file, which stands for TrueType font. Double-click on this file and a window will appear showing you a preview of the font. Step 4. In the preview window, click on the Install button. This will add the font to your system so that all programs, including Paint.net, can use it. Step 5. Restart Paint.net and open the text tool to check your new font. You will now see it listed along with the default fonts ready to use in your editing projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue.